Aloha, it's Henry, and today we're talking about another key performance indicator for your vacation rental, and this is your occupancy rate. A lot of people talk about occupancy rate, but what does it really mean and why does it actually matter? Well, your occupancy rate tells you how many of your available nights were actually booked. It's one of the simplest but most important metrics for understanding your performance. Here's the formula. Occupancy rate equals nights booked divided by nights available. So let's say your property was available for 30 nights last month and it booked 21 out of the 30. That gives you an occupancy rate of 70%. Now here's an important note. Block nights like owner stays or maintenance blocks don't count as available. So you're only measuring performance on nights you actually offered to guests. Here's why this matters. It helps you measure real demand. You can compare your occupancy rate to local averages for similar property sizes and see how you stack up. It gives you a pretty nice idea about seasonal booking patterns. And a low occupancy rate might mean your pricing is too high, your listing isn't converting, or your visibility needs work. And a high occupancy rate could mean your pricing is too low. So track your occupancy monthly, seasonally, or year over year. Pair it with ADR and RevPAR, and it's one of the best ways to sharpen your ability to get the most for your vacation rental. Simple formula, real clarity, track it, refine it, and grow smarter.